Hi, I'm Brian Henderson, and this is the first video of my new YouTube channel. My previous channel was underneath the screen name of JoeDog86, which, let's be honest, that's a pretty cheesy screen name, and I came up with that when I was about 11 or so. So I figure it's about time I came up with a new one. That previous channel focused on a lot of my electronics projects, mainly making portable Super Nintendos with their own LCD screen, batteries, onboard controls, kind of like a homemade giant Game Boy. And you might check those out right here. And as for this video, I'm showing off my newest electronic toy, gadget, whatever you want to call it. It's a remote control car with a wireless camera on board, which goes to a remote control that has its own LCD screen that you can then pilot the car from a first-person point of view. Let me show you how it works. First of all, we have the car, which is just a standard $20 remote control car I purchased from Walmart. Took the shell off and modified it to my own devious purposes. I've attached a camera to the very front just using hot glue, and this is a wireless spy camera I purchased for about $20 off Amazon. I'm powering it with a 9-volt battery. I tried initially powering off of the car's own batteries. However, each time the motors would run on the vehicle, there would be a lot of flickering on the screen because the motors are drawing too much current, and of course the manufacturers of this remote control car didn't really have noise filtering in mind when they built this thing. It is a pretty cheap electronics device, and they weren't really thinking about video circuit being on the same circuit as the one that's powering the motors, so understandably. So for the meantime, I have it running off a 9-volt battery. What I'm really proud of is the controller that I've made for this remote control car. It's the original remote control car combined with the wireless receiver for the spy camera, in addition to an LCD screen and built-in lithium-ion rechargeable batteries. The buttons were taken from a video game controller. The power switch is from a flashlight I purchased from Harbor Freight. This dial dials in the exact frequency for the camera. This is the remote control car's antenna, and then the receiving antenna for the AV signal. So let's go ahead and turn this on and see how this all works. We just flip on the switch down here, point the car in the direction we want to go, turn on our receiver, and we turn our dial until we get just the right video frequency here. And there we are. What you're seeing there is my other camera on the table, and here we are recording this wonderful video. Isn't that great? And you can see for yourself here as I adjust this. Hey, there's a power cord for my light system here. Press my buttons, we can make it go, and then of course left and right. And so just like that, we have our little drone vehicle. We can drive right off the table if we wanted to, but that's probably not a good idea. Let's set this on the floor, see how far we can go before it goes out of range on us. Okay. Oh, we're hitting a power cord. Takes a little getting used to driving by just this screen, but after a little bit of practice, it's really quite fun. Hey, there's the kitchen. All right, there's a rug in the kitchen. So naturally, it's a lot better if you're in an area where you have a lot of room. Oh, look at those dust bunnies. Anyway, that's my latest project.